Thank you. Department of Finance.
Mark Newberger, Department of Finance. Thanks for the opportunity to speak today about the motor vehicle account fund condition. The agenda does an excellent job laying out the problem and associated issues. Fees collected to operate the programs in the account are about $400 million short of expenses per year. The difference between these two has been addressed using the repayment of previous general fund loans. However, a solution is required in future years. After considering the needs of capital outlay improvements for both DMV and CHP, as well as future estimated expenses, Finance determined that the $10 fee increase to the vehicle registration fee indexed to CPI is necessary to address the fund's solvency. This will provide funding for the highest priority capital outlay projects for CHP and DMV, as well as fund anticipated growth in expenditures for all MVA departments, primarily the CHP, the DMV, and to a lesser extent the ARB and others. We're happy to answer any questions.
Thank you. DMV, did you want to add anything?
No comment.